Hey there, welcome back to the Barnabas Cyclone arcade game. In this video, we're going to be coding our motor that we already mounted and connected to pin number 11 to wiggle whenever we win the game. First, let's go ahead and test our servo motor. So I have it set up here. I'm going to take my code here, my beautiful code, and take these subroutine calls and just put it to the side. Okay, we're going to bring it back later, but I just want to have an empty loop so I can just test my motor. So I'm going to go to my motor drawer, this blue here, and then find servo and stick it in there. And I'm going to move this, clean up a little bit. And what pin number is servo connected to? The orange is connected to 11. And you see the angle, it already has 180 in there. Let's change that to 0, the smallest angle, and see what happens. Okay, so once I do this, it should send the shaft to angle number 0. So I'm going to upload. Cool. It definitely went to 0. Now since 0, I want it to be, maybe it would make sense to me if 0 was like this, if you see my finger. So here, I'm gonna go to the larger angle here. Okay, so right now this is 0 degrees. I don't really like that being 0. I like 0 being like this. Okay, so wherever yours ended up, because we just randomly put the servo horn on there, right? You can actually just pop it off and then basically tell it, well, I don't like 0 here, I don't like 0 here, I like 0 being like this. Okay, oh, not there, maybe a little bit further down. Just makes more sense to me. Yeah, that to me makes sense. It's a little bit crooked. That's good enough for me. Okay, for me that's good at 0, so that when it goes to 90 it should go like this, and then 180 it should go all the way the other way. Okay, this is also called calibrating your servo motor. You want to give it a reference or a home position that makes sense. So 0 to me, this makes sense. If 0 was like this, I don't know, that doesn't really make sense, right? Like, why is that 0? I like 0 being here, so I'm calibrating it like this. You can do whatever you want. For me, this makes sense to be this. So then if I go back to my code, okay, and I change it to 90, it should go straight up. Let's try. Yep, and it goes pretty much straight up. Right, you see that? And if I go 180, it should go all the way to the that position. I guess if it's a clock, the 9 o'clock position. Boom, there. So it's not perfect, but close enough. And that's one thing to kind of know about these servo motors. It's going to be about kind of where it's supposed to be. If it's not exactly there, don't worry about it. Now, the idea is just like it kind of generally gets you to the angle that you want. All right, so that's 180. I'm going to go back to 90. Go in the middle. The middle is pretty dead on. Okay, cool. Now I want to make it go back and forth. So it's going to be exactly like how we did the light. You could do another servo command. And pin 11. And I want it to go between 90 and 180. Now, if you just did like this, it's just going to go crazy because you're not giving enough time. So what I mean by that, if you just do this, you say go to 90, and then right away you tell it to go to 180, and then because it's a loop, right away go to 90. It's going to be like 90, 180, and it's just kind of going to be stuck in the middle. It's like someone telling you go there, go there, go there, go there. They need to give you time to get there. So because the commands process super fast, so like the lights, we need to slow it down a little bit by adding a wait. So I'm going to give it a second, duplicate, and put a second here. It's like same situation as the lights. Okay, let's upload this and see what happens. Okay, you see it moving, right? Cool. And now if I let's just do 3 positions just because we haven't done that. Let's go 90, 80, and then 0 degrees. Pin 11, 0. I'm using my duplicate. There. So it should go 90, 180, and 0. Cool. And let's speed it up. Let's go 0.3, I don't know, 0.3 seconds between. You can't go too fast and it's not going to work correctly, but I think 0.3 seconds should be good. Let's try. Oh, it's not working. Look. See, it's not getting all the way to 0 because I'm not giving it enough time. So that's not, I need maybe I don't know, 0.6. Okay, that works. All right, let me empty my code just so it's quiet. And then let's talk about what we want to do. Okay, I want it to be like wiggle. Whenever I win, I want to go like like that. So let's think about the angles for something like that. I'm just going to do 2 positions, so I'm going to get rid of the extra servo block. Okay, and let me clean up a little bit. There, that's good. All right, so so 90 is in the middle, right? And I just want to go to like that. So maybe I'll do something like 70. I think it's like that. And then like a little bit more than 90, maybe 120. Let's see what happens if it kind of looks like the wiggle I want. Let's go large view. Yeah, that's good. And then now let's increase the speed. I'm gonna try 0.2 now because it's traveling less distance. You don't need to give it as much time to get there. So I think 0.2 could be good. Let's try. Okay. I'm curious. Let's try 0.1. I want more of a celebration. You know what I mean? Yeah, I like that. I like that. Okay, let me pull this out and upload a blank code so it gives us some peace and quiet. Okay, blank code because nothing's in the loop. Now, where do I put this awesome code? We want to put it only when the LED 2 is on, which is blink 2. So we'll put it, I guess we could put it after the check win. Why don't I put it inside check win? So we're going to go down and put this here. So check win is here. And I want to say if I press the button when LED 2 is on, I want it to, and then if it is on, then I want to blink the light 10 times. And I also want to, maybe should I do this? Then wiggle. Okay, getting messy. Let me clean up a little bit. Move this out of the way. Okay. I want it to blink 10 times and then maybe wiggle 10 times too. So then I got to get my control and go to this repeat and put it here. And then take what I need. I want this to happen 10 times. Okay, it's going to wiggle 10 times. Then wait 5 seconds and then go. All right, so whenever I win, it's going to blink 10 times fast, wiggle 10 times fast, wait 5 seconds, and then continue. All right, before we do anything, we need to put this all back into here. All right, so now all our subroutine calls are happening, and yeah, I think it's gonna work. Okay. Okay, it uploaded. All right, I'm gonna press. Let's go to large view. Okay. Press up. Did not win. Sorry. Press. Yeah. Blink. Success. And then it's gonna start again. Lost. Okay, this is getting good. This is getting good. All right, so now we got it. Go on and see if I can win again. I'm good. I'm so good at this. Sweet. All right, so I'll stop there for now. One thing that you can work on as a challenge, let's go back to our code. Okay, what if I want it to be blinking as it's moving its little doing the little wiggle. So I'll give you a hint, but I won't show you because it's fun to kind of figure it out. Instead of two repeat loops, you would only have one repeat loops, and then these blocks here would go inside this repeat loop. Okay, so it'd be something like this, like in there, right? But I'm not gonna show you because it's fun to figure out yourself. So let me put it back the way I had it. But yeah, it'd be cool to kind of have it blinking and wiggling at the same time when you win. All right, that's it for now. We're almost there. I mean, we got the lights going, we got the motors going, we got the button going. The next thing I want to add is the buzzer, so that it also makes a sound whenever you win or lose the game. All right, that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.